So students, in the previous lecture we discussed about the human nervous system, including the nerves and the central nervous system. Clear? Now next is that the nerves that are composed of neurons. Okay, so these neurons, they are also known as the unit of the nervous system. Why? Because our nervous system, it is composed of so many neurons. Neurons, they will together combine to form the nervous system. Clear? Like for example, one nerve is there, so it consists of so many neurons end to end. Like if suppose one neuron that is present, then at the end of the first neuron, second neuron is present. So our nerves that consist of neurons. So that's why neuron, it is also known as the unit of the nervous system. Now we will discuss the structure of the neuron. This portion is known as the cell body, and it consists of the nucleus and cytoplasm. Okay, and that's why this is known as the cell body. And over the cell body, short fibers that are arising, which are known as dendrites, and one long fiber that is present over the cell body, it is known as the axon. And this axon, it has a sheath over it, and this sheath, it is known as this sheath that is known as the myelin sheath. You can see that over the axon, the myelin sheath that is present, and you have done this structure in 9th class also. And what is the function of this myelin sheath? That it acts as an insulation or protective sheath for the myelin. Okay, insulating and the protective sheath for the axon. Now at the end of the axon, the nerve endings that are present, these are the nerve endings. So what are the main components of the neuron? That are cell body, dendrites, short fibers present over the cell body, and the largest fiber, which is known as the axon. And at the end of the axon, what are present? The nerve endings that are present. Clear? Now next is neurons that are also of three types: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and relay neurons. Sensory neurons, they transmit impulses. What are the impulses? The electrical impulses. Clear? Which it receives from the receptors. So it transmit impulses from the receptors towards the central nervous system, as I told you in the previous video. And motor neurons, they transmit impulses from the central nervous system, that is spinal cord and brain, towards the muscle cells. Clear? Now next, one more category is there, that are relay neurons. Now what are relay neurons? Relay neurons, they occur in the central nervous system. Central nervous system means that brain and spinal cord. Okay, so the neurons which are present in the brain and the spinal cord, that are known as relay neurons. Okay, like if suppose the sensory neurons, they transmit impulses from the receptors towards the central nervous system, and then in the central nervous system also the neurons that are present. So these neurons, they will transmit this impulse to each other, and then the brain or spinal cord, they process the message, and from the central nervous system they will come to the effector cells through the motor neurons. So relay neurons are those neurons which are present in the brain and the spinal cord.